Good morning, class. Today's video is going to talk about an introduction to the project that we're going to be doing this unit on stoichiometry. This project is going to be counted as an assessment grade, so make sure you put your time and effort into this project so that you can get significant points and hopefully help your grade out a little bit. Because it is an assessment grade, it does need to be completed on time. Any late projects turned in will be docked significant points, so make sure you get that in on time. The project will be due probably the first week of May. The due date will be posted shortly. So I just want to take some time and go over what is expected of the project, show you some examples, and make sure you reach out if you have any questions. So this project cannot be created using like a PowerPoint or a Prezi or anything like that. It must be something more creative than that. So you can make a newspaper article, you can do some sort of interview, you can make a flip book, you can write a song, you can make a poster, you can make a scrapbook, you can make a movie. I'm open to a lot of different options of what you want to do to create this type of project and present your information you learn. So basically the premise of the project, before I go over topics, you're going to be researching stoichiometry and seeing how it's used in different parts of the world. So you can choose something that's of interest to you and relate it to stoichiometry, or you can choose one of the topics I provide to you. So your major thing is just talking about, first, what is this thing? So let's say you choose fertilizer as your topic. So what is fertilizer? How is it used? Why is it used? Why is it important? And then more specifically, how is stoichiometry used in the field of fertilizer, and why is stoichiometry important when making or using fertilizers? So make sure you're explaining this in huge detail. That's an important part of this piece. Also, you will need to have your sources cited, so make sure you keep track of a works cited page. Another major piece is you need to have a reaction that is involved in this area. So make up some sort of reaction that fertilizer companies might use when creating fertilizers. It can be a mole-to-mole problem, mole-to-mass problem, a mass-to-mass problem, a mass-to-liters problem. You can just make that problem up as long as it's using the reactants in the fertilizer and producing the fertilizer itself. Make sure you include at least 2 pictures as well. And then I have your rubric here. This is going to be worth 20 points. There will be an additional opportunity for extra credit as well, so make sure you keep on the lookout for that so you know how to get some extra points if that's something you want. So, some possible topics are listed here, whether you're interested in space, hot air balloons, cars, soap, animals. Stoichiometry is used in all of these things, but if you want to do something else that's not on this list, please reach out to me, and I'm pretty open to letting you do whatever topic you want as long as you can somehow connect it to stoichiometry. I do want to take a moment and go over some past projects, so let me go ahead and pause the video and show you some of those so you have an idea of what this project might look like. Alrighty, so we relocated to the back of the classroom. So this is one project that was done last year on camels. They show the picture of the camels. They gave the definition here, but they spelled definition wrong, of what stoichiometry is. They showed how camels use it. They give an equation here. They make up a problem and show their work for how they're solving the problem as well. That's going to be an important aspect, is showing your work for when solving the problem. Another really great example was this one on medicine and Advil specifically. So they showed here the formula for how stoichiometry is used of how to make Advil. They solved it, they gave important instructions, they gave interesting facts and their resources, and lots of pictures to show what was going on. And one more I wanted to show you that was pretty cool is this one was on hot air balloons. So they really made a beautiful poster, and it has a lot of good information. They're showing the ideal gas law, they're showing all the important facts and things they need, and then with that, they also made a model of a hot air balloon and demonstrated how it works, so that was pretty cool. So you can go a lot of different directions with this project. Another student made a song. If you do make a song, make sure you send the lyrics along so I can analyze those to make sure you have everything you need to have included in it. I think that's about it. Your rubric should be posted, so make sure you're following along with that closely. Otherwise, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.